The world of Forex trading is fast-paced and exciting, but to navigate it successfully, you need the right knowledge and skills. Introducing our comprehensive online course on Forex trading and investment. Begin with an overview of Forex trading, understand the market structure and major currencies, learn how to develop a trading plan, and master the art of managing money in trading. Delve into technical analysis in trading, understand the role of fundamental analysis in Forex trading, and learn how to interpret Forex trading signals. Stay vigilant against Forex trading scams, cultivate the right trading mindset, and learn how to avoid common trading mistakes. Whether you're a financial professional, an investor, or someone interested in Forex trading, this course is designed for you. Enroll now and take your Forex trading skills to the next level.